In today's class, we will learn the important points on unit circle. Now, the circumference of a circle is given as C is equals to 2 pi r, where r is radius, that is equals to 1 unit, then 2 pi 1, and thus the circumference is equals to 2 pi. So now we have a circumference here, that is 2 pi. So this is 360, and the circumference of the circle is 2 pi. Now there are infinite points on the circle, but here in today's class we will learn most important 16 points on it. So let's start with the first 4 important points. Now you see the circumference of a circle is 2 pi. Now if I take the semicircle, then it is 2 pi over 2, and we will get here pi. Clear? Now divide this pi into 2 parts, that is, this is pi by 2 and this will be 2 pi by 2. So that means here we get pi by 2. Now if I say this is 1 pi by 2, this is 2 pi by 2 and we have here pi. So my next, that is the third point, will be 3 pi by 2, and this fourth point is 4 pi by 2, and we get here 2 pi. So this is how we have 4 points: 2 pi, pi by 2, pi, and 3 pi by 2. Now let's move on to the next points, and let's start with the 30-degree angle. Now, how many 30s will make 180? Now, why 180? Because we are starting here from 0 to pi. That means till 180 degrees. So, how many 30s will make 180? So, 36. 30 into 6 will give us 180 degrees. Correct? So, let's divide the semicircle in 6 parts. So, that will be pi over 6. 1 pi by 6. Here let's say this is 2 pi by 6, and reduce it. What we will get? We'll get pi over 3. And here it will be 3 pi over 6. After reducing, we will get pi over 2. So here it will be 4 pi over 6, and what we will get? 2 pi over 3. And next is 5 pi over 6. Here it is 6 pi over 6. Then next point here will be 7 pi over 6. And here it will be 8 pi over 6. And after reducing, we will get 4 pi over 3. And here it will be 9 pi over 6. And we will get here 3 pi over 2. So after 9 pi over 6 is 10 pi over 6, and we will get 5 pi over 3. And here it is 11 pi over 6, and here 12 pi over 6, and we will get here 2 pi. So these are the next important points according to 30 degrees, that is according to pi by 6. So we have pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, 5 pi by 6, pi, 7 pi by 6, 4 pi by 3, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 3, 11 pi by 6, and 2 pi by 6. Let's move to the next important points, and let's say this is be on the basis of 45 degrees. So on the 45 basis, now let's see, it's 2 pi here, it is pi here. Now pi by 4. Why 4? So according to 45 degrees, we are dividing the semicircle into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So pi by 4, here it will be 2 pi by 4, and so it becomes pi by 2. So here it will be 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4. Now next point will be 5 pi by 4 and here 6 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 2 and 7 pi by 4 and here 8 pi by 4 and we get 2 pi here. So these are the next points. So this is how we get all the 16 important points on a unit circle. So let's mark all of them. So here we start with 2 pi, pi, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Correct? Now according to 30 degrees, pi over 6 here. Then comes pi over 3. Then comes 2 pi over 3. Then 5 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6. 4 pi over 3. 5 pi over 3 and 11 pi over 6. Now according to 45 degrees, that is according to pi by 4, here it is pi over 4, here it is 3 pi over 4, then here it is 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Clear? So this is all about unit circle. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts or any questions, do leave it in the comment box.